Hey guys, it's Brian Gambardelli here with MarineMax of Huntington. I'm standing on a 2025 Intrepid 345 Nomad. MarineMax of Huntington is now the Northeast dealer for Intrepid powerboats, and I'm really excited to help spread this brand here in the Northeast. Intrepids are known for their craftsmanship, customization, performance, and innovation. And today we'll look through the boat at many features and benefits, and I'll point out in each one of those brand pillars where that specific feature fits in. So we'll start here in the bow area. We've got really nice deep seating, powder coated grab rails, ample storage here. On those days when you feel like lounging, simply put up your backrest. Now you get to lounge comfortably. Intrepid is really good at making use of all the spaces. So you have storage on your port and starboard sides here. Storage is underneath. Your access to your bow thruster. And we got a nice table seat there. Your nice forward-facing seating here. To keep things nice and smooth and appealing, your fills are hidden beneath these panels. So your water fill and your waste pump out. Your cleats are all like this, pop up and down, nice smooth. You won't get caught on anything. No clothing will get ripped. Let's come over to the helm here. So if you hear that noise, we have the sky hook going on the Mercury joystick. So the engines are keeping the boat in place and orientated in the same direction. Customization. So when it comes to Intrepid, we leave it up to the customer to choose their electronics. Some people like Garmin or Simrad and different sound systems. So the boat will arrive like this. And then when we are ready to choose the system that is best for you, we can go over those things. You have your standard stainless push buttons here. Your most important things, every boat comes standard with a bow thruster. So even though you do have a joystick, you do have this bow thruster for additional maneuverability. These helm seats here on the Intrepids are one of my favorites. So you sit nice and high, you've got a really nice field of view. And most importantly, when you want to stand, these are contoured to fit in your back. So this is a very comfortable position, and right where you want to grab something, there is a rail here on each side. Let's head on towards the back area. So on this 34 Nomad, it's outfitted with the sink, not a grill. We got a very large frigid rigid cooler here. Pops up like so. Again, more powder coated grab rails there. You have a sunshade that is stowed within the hardtop. I'll release that now. So the benefit of being inside there is that the fabric is out of the UV when it's not in use. All the mechanics are out of the salt environment, which will help with maintenance and longevity of this item. Really big hardware here. You've got a nice strong magnet. Very nice dive door. Now, innovation, this is something Intrepid, this is Intrepid's ladder. They make this in the factory. You cannot find this ladder on any other boat. And customers really like this because it's so heavy duty. So how nice is that? You got built-in grab rails on the ladder. No more telescoping. Our skyhook's really doing its thing today. So you got back seating here. 3 adults quite comfortably. You got a raised cushion in the upholstery here, so that gets underneath the thighs pretty well. So you got access to all your rod holders here. You got a lot more room in the cockpit. Your 2 light bait wells with windows and lights inside, which is a really nice touch. So you've got side boarding steps that are built into the gunnel here. This boat is very popular on the tender market. So that's where Intrepid really got its start. These boats are used as mega yacht and yacht tenders. And being 34 feet, and a tender has to be 1/3 of the size of the boat, this specific boat fit in very well. So here on our starboard side, we've got nice fender storage. So this speaks to Intrepid's innovation and utilizing all the space you can. So just forward to the helm, you've got a nice spacious head here. Flexi teak decking inside. Panel on the left to access any helm electronics. So just coming down the head here, this really speaks to Intrepid's workmanship. Look at the wiring behind the helm. Everything is labeled. Extremely neat and tight work. So the build quality of these boats is really second to none. Being that these boats were used as yacht tenders and still are to this day, the majority of the Intrepid market is in the Florida region, and these boats cross the Gulf, go to the Bahamas, go to Bimini, and they do those trips. And these customers do like high performance, reliable, and well-constructed boats. These boats, you will not find the hardtop rattling or shaking. You will not be able to stomp on the floor and feel any hollow spots. The deck of this boat is bonded to the structure below. And this is really one of the most solid boats that I think in the Northeast region will do really, really well. I invite you all to come down to MarineMax of Huntington. Contact me, Brian Gambardella, or anyone else here in the office. We will happily take you on a test ride to show you the Intrepid and show you what it can do for you. Contact us here at MarineMax of Huntington, 631-424-2710.